Hello, fourth graders, and here we are working on our bag again, and we're going to sew up the sides of our bag. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that your tops are lined up, and you can shake your bag to make sure the top is all lined up as well as the sides. And then if you have pins at your house, you can pin it, but if not, it's okay. And you can just add. You don't need a lot of pins. Well, 4 pins is enough. And I'm leaving the head of the pin on the outside, and the sharp point of the pin goes on the inside. So you can see I have one more pin to put here, and in it goes. Now we're going to mark our lines for sewing. You have a light colored pencil, and then about 1/2 inch in, you can draw your line going down your fabric. Okay. And you're going to do that on both sides of your project. Then you're going to back stitch with sewing thread. So regular white sewing thread, or actually any color is fine. And you're going to remember you take an arm's length from your heart to your hand, and then you're going to begin sewing. I would recommend putting a knot at the end of this thread. And how that works, we thread our needle, and then on the long end of our thread we catch our thread, wrap it around 3 times, and slide those wraps right over our needle. And there is our knot. What you're going to do next is sew up the sides. Now this is right sides out. This is how you start. You want to see the embroidery that you've done and the outside of the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and begin my back stitch, where I start with a running stitch and then go backwards, pass that center point, and that is a back stitch. It looks just like that. And after you have back stitched up both sides, we will meet back together for the next part.